Awesome, it's Random Info Chick here with a What's in the Box video. So what is in this box is a $3 implement that is going to get your teeth glossy clean. It's going to help stimulate blood flow to your gums, which will strengthen your gums and help prevent gum disease. And also it happens to be good for the environment. It is not made out of plastic or anything environmentally unfriendly. What is it? It is a bamboo toothbrush with charcoal bristles. Okay, so the charcoal bristles are what's going to help to whiten your teeth. And it's not going to turn them white. If you need teeth whitening, you'll have to do a separate process. And you can actually do that with charcoal, I gather. There's plenty of information about that out there. But it will help a little bit. The bamboo is great because it's not plastic. Plastic, as we all know, is really bad for the environment. And if you think about it, apparently every plastic toothbrush you have ever used in your life is still out there floating around in the environment. Not good. So when you use this, you're going to find that it gets your teeth really clean. And it is stiffer than if you've been using a drugstore toothbrush all your life or for many years. Those don't really get your teeth very clean. So this is going to feel initially quite aggressive, and your gums might be very tender after the first time or first couple of times that you use it. But I promise you, they're going to get stronger, and they're not going to feel tender after a couple of uses of this. Okay, maybe 3 or 4 days or something. So just stick with it. Also, I gather if you press it on your gums, along your gum line, just gently wiggle it, not back and forth, just kind of a little baby circular motion. That helps stimulate more blood flow. You really need to stimulate blood flow in your gums, apparently, kind of massage them, if you will, on a regular basis. A daily basis is really great to help prevent gum disease. So I will put a link in the description down below so you can order your bamboo toothbrush on Amazon and try it out. And I encourage you, even if you don't purchase this, that you try to find a toothbrush that is not made out of plastic and save the marine life and everybody in the environment from more plastic. I hope that this information was useful for you, and if you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I don't want you to miss my videos on a quick way to tame hair frizz when you're out anywhere and don't have any product with you, a no-cost solution for constipation, and how to ditch your potato peeler forever. You don't want to miss that one. Random Info Chick signing off. Thanks for stopping by. See you soon.